As an early childhood educator in Dublin, we face many challenges. Stress, burnout and pain recognition are just the top part of it. Constantly workers are being overworked. We don't get paid enough for the job that we're doing. We don't get recognition for being actual educators, and we get called babysitters all the time. I've studied 4 years in DCU doing a Bachelor's of Early Childhood and Education, and in this you do 4 professional placements, which is 4 work experience practices. You can do a minimum of a level 6 to be in the position I am now, but that doesn't mean that the pay is very good. You know, the pay is still not great even with a level 8, and that's really disheartening to stay in the sector. At the moment it's starting to go up thanks to SIP2, but it's still not enough. You know, we're at €13 an hour at the moment, and yeah, I did bartending for years and that was €14 an hour with no qualification whatsoever. The change I'd like to see in the sector is pay and recognition for workers and the early childhood professionals, because it's a hard job. You know, you're in it and you're devoted to your job. When you are an early years practitioner, you care about the children, you put your whole life and soul in it. You know, it's the decent thing to do would be increase our pay and our working conditions.